Hello everyone, Developer here. Today I'm gonna talk about the improvements I made in my game. But before that, let me first talk about our sponsor. Just kidding, I don't have any sponsors yet. Anyways, let's go. Since my last devlog, I have worked hard to implement the incomplete mechanics of my game. Let's talk about each one of those mechanics. First, the projectile. In the last video, when the projectile hits, nothing happens. It just gets destroyed when it hits our player, and it stays when it hits the ground. Now, the projectiles can damage our player. Next, I added the touch damage. That's the touch damage. So if the player collides with an enemy, he gets damage. Then I modified the wall jump. Before, the jump was too far and too fast. Now it's smaller, but you can scale the walls better. Like that. Speaking of walls, remember that climbing animation? Yeah, I fixed it. Now he looks cute again. You can see his little feet. It's cute. Anyways, finally, the most important update today: directional attacks and attack cooldown. These two things are the hardest ones that I added to my code. It may seem easy, but since my code was a finite state machine and the tutorial that I followed was not made for directional attacks, it was hard. Most days of my week was just me thinking about how I can implement it and what needs to be done. Each time I went, aha, I think I know why it's not working. Boy, was I wrong. Well, technically, I'm not really wrong, as each of those steps I took led me closer to the correct answer. Let me know if you're interested in how I went to editing my code. Next is the attack cooldown. As you can see, the attacks can now only happen once, or sometimes, it doesn't happen infinitely, or let's say indefinitely. Wee! I am invincible, the flying man. As you can see, this little guy was also a bit of a headache. It took me 2 days to realize what I was doing was wrong. Since I was switching between different states, using time got a bit buggy, I think. Anyways, what's important is that it works now. Boop. Now I'll just feature a gameplay of a noob like me playing his game. Man, I'm such a noob bag. Hey. In the future, I'm planning to make this an enemy that can fly. Oh, and I'm also gonna fix those white jittering stuff. So yeah, let's go. Is this a bug or a feature? We'll know. That's a bug. It's a pretty cool bug though. It's like a flappy bird. Flap, 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 flap. That's it for today's devlog. Thank you for watching. Developer